Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add Microsoft Copilot in Word with a complete step-by-step guide. Before you start using Copilot in Microsoft Word, there are a few important things you need to set up first. Step 1. Make sure you have the correct Microsoft subscription and the latest version of Word. To access Copilot in 2026, you need one of two things. For personal users, you need a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription along with the Copilot Pro add-on. For business users, you need a Microsoft 365 business plan, such as Basic, Standard, or Premium, or an Enterprise E3 or E5 license. After that, make sure Microsoft Word is fully updated. Copilot only works with the latest current channel version of Word. To update it, open Microsoft Word, go to File, Account, Update Options, and click Update Now. You can't expect the latest AI features to work properly on outdated software. Now, if you already purchased Copilot but still can't see the feature inside Word, here's the fix. Go to File, then Account. Under the Product Information section, click on Update License. After that, sign into your Microsoft account again and restart Microsoft Word. In many cases, this simple license refresh instantly activates Copilot. That's it. This is how you can easily add and use Microsoft Copilot in Word. It can save you a lot of time once enabled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.